Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
morning, good morning, good morning.
And thank you for watching. Good morning. I have shampooed my hair and I want you to keep watching. I'm going to do a short introductory and just keep on watching. It should come up with me shampooing my hair right over here. Yes. I'm actually using Design Essentials shampoo that I talked about in my previous video, and that's the only shampoo that I use. Design Essentials Peppermint and Aloe Therapeutics Anti-Itch Shampoo. I placed it in this container so I can pump it out and easily use it. getting the black color cream out of my hair. It took me 3 washes and I guess a 4th for good measure. I usually wash my hair 3 times. It wasn't any extra work. It took more time than I would usually take because I usually don't wash my hair in the sink. I only wash my hair in the sink for purposes of this video, so it wouldn't take me as long. It probably would not even take 3 washes to get it all out. And so would I use it again? Certainly, because I will very, very soon. Remember, I still have gold that I need to use. This is a sister who loves her locks. This is a sister who loves her friends, family, and subscribers. And I especially, that's what I was getting ready to say. And I especially love God, because God has truly been good to me. He's been wonderful and He's been awesome. He's kept me all these years. And I just want to say thank you, Lord, and thank you for watching. Take care.